So hello, this is me Mehak and welcome to the Blitz news channel. Delhi on Saturday recorded a minimum temperature of 23.2 degrees Celsius, 2 notches below the season's average. According to the India Meteorological Department (IMD), the relative humidity was 98% at 8:30 a.m. The maximum temperature is expected to settle around 35 degrees Celsius. According to the IMD, Delhi is likely to witness generally cloudy skies with light rain during the day. The weather officer said the IMD has installed an additional automatic weather station near Pragati Maidan, where the G20 summit begins this morning, to provide specialized and real-time weather forecasts. So that's it from us in this update. Thank you for your time.